the Kashyap take. So this is the SSIS tutorial connection manager part 6. So in this part we will going to see like how we can create the Excel connection manager in SSIS. So an Excel connection manager in SSIS is used to connect SQL Server Integration Service package with the Excel file or Excel workbook. So basically, whenever you want to uh, extract the data from the Excel to the any database, like it can be a SQL Server, Oracle, anything. So if you wanted to load the data from the Excel file to the our database, so for that we have to create the Excel connections in Visual Studio. So let's see how we can create. So this is my Visual Studio where I have created one project. In the project I have multiple SSIS package, but we will, this is not important right now. So in, if you see in the Solution Explorer we have the SSIS test project, whatever project you have created. If you expand that one, you will see connection manager. In the connection manager, uh, you can click, you can right click here and you can see new connection manager. After clicking on new connection manager, you can see multiples connections are there. So we have to use Excel one. So for Excel file, add it, and then it will show this window. Then you have to just select the file where you have keep that file. Excel means whatever data in Excel and you wanted to upload into the databases. So just select employee details and click open. Then it will be automatically pick the path. Click OK. Now you can see the connection has been created here, and you can see the Excel connection manager has been configured. So whenever you are going to create any projects, sorry, any package in this project, then it will be available for all the package in the for the connection. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you understood. So please subscribe and share and please comment. Thank you.